The human dilemma. So here we're going to take a cruise through the entire totality of the human experience. It'll take up today's lecture and probably the next one as well. We come up, of course, the first thing that we begin to say about the reality of being a human being is how do we know that we are, and where did we come from? Well, we showed from the mammalian viewpoint where we came from, evolutionary. But evolutionary-wise, you still don't end up as a human being. You end up as a sophisticated hominid, which is different than being human. So what makes the human human, of course, is the spirit and the etheric body. So whence did we come is usually being asked in a linear time dimension. You know, did we come from Highway 89A, or did we did we come from the zebra? I mean, they're speaking in terms of causality. So they're really asking a question in causality. How did we get here? Whence did we come? And of course, the answer of the spiritually evolved person is quite a bit different than the materialist. The materialist is very happy with an animal evolution, which we covered in the lecture on evolution versus creation, is very happy with a linear Newtonian explanation. Who are we to a spiritual person means quite a different thing. To a linear person, the we means the animal me. Where did this bodiness come from? To a more evolved person, the we means the human community. It means the spirit of the human. So even the question, you see, does not mean the same thing. The creationist says, well, Darwin explained the whole thing. It's all mechanistic, So the top down, of course, God created man. So the bottom up then says you're just a sort of a chemical accident over time. Yeah, the spiritually evolved person realizes that you're not just a physicality, you have consciousness and awareness, and you came from top down, not from bottom up.